Captain's log, March 1867.
Wait.
Yeah. March 2026. I'm Brian.
And I'm Tom. We're the founders of Teamwork Unlocked.
Today, we're inviting you into our flagship product, Submerged.
Specifically designed for corporate teams, all the way from engineers at Google to leadership at Schneider Electric. This isn't just your regular workshop.
It's a 100% immersive, or should we say submersive, escape room experience.
We've built a custom-designed 70 square meter high-tech facility to bring our methodology to life. It's a learning lab disguised as an 18th century submarine that's sinking to the bottom of the ocean. Standard training is passive. People sit in a chair and listen. But you can't listen your way into better teamwork. You have to act your way into it.
We saw a gap. There was no high-pressure environment for teams to practice crisis management without actual real-world consequences.
So we created the pressure cooker. If they can't fix team dynamics, they don't fix the sub.
While participants are solving challenges in the escape room, we are observing and recording their every move from the control room.
Submerged is powered in the backend by our custom-designed engine that helps us track every move the team makes during the mission.
Participants take a self-assessment to determine their preferred roles across our 9 key profiles, like the Challenger, the Maverick, or the Communicator.
Then we see how they actually act when they have to physically repair the ship. If the analyst misses a detail in the sonar data, the solver can't finish the puzzle. It forces rotational leadership to fill gaps.
And because the tech is seamless, the players forget they're in a workshop. They are just trying to survive. That's where real, authentic team behavior emerges.
The impact is measurable. We recently hosted 11 global leaders from Schneider Electric.
They arrived with a legacy culture of working in silos due to their geographical dispersion. But inside the sub, that structure failed them immediately.
By the end of the session, they were a single unit. As one participant noted, you may start with individual experiments, but without collaboration, you cannot complete your goals.
We don't just give them an experience. We give them a 60-page deep dive report on their team's specific DNA, and a custom app for an additional 6 months that gives them micro-coaching based on their individual profiles.
What do teams learn?
This hands-on approach exposes team gaps and helps them steer their corporate team in the right direction.
We're Teamwork Unlocked. We've built the tech, we've built the room.
And we're ready to welcome you here. That would be sublime.